Eating regular meals. Eating regular includes breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Good nutrition and balanced diet help children grow healthy and strong. Here are the benefits of eating regular meals daily. Good health, strong bones, energetic body, quick reflexes, and strong resistance to sickness. It is important to eat regular meals to ensure your body gets the energy it needs to perform. Our body needs energy to get through the day, and this energy comes from the food we eat. Regular meal times is actually one way to help maintain a healthy weight. When you eat regular meal times, you are also more likely to plan your meals and have them prepared, and also eat more nutritious meals, which is beneficial for overall health. For overall health, mental and physical, regular meal times is recommended.